दोतोर फिलिप पिंटोचो नातू तशेंच पणजेचो आदलो कॉर्पोरेटर कबीर पिंटो मखीजा आनी वास्को दा गामा क्लबच्या जोड पालवान दुसरी दोतोर फिलिप पिंटो मेमोरियल अखिल गोंय टेबल टेनिस टुर्नामेंटाच्या सर्तीची येवजण केल्या. पणजेन क्लब वास्को दा गामान ह्या दुसऱ्या सर्तीचे उक्तावण 17 तारखेक उपसभापती मायकल लोबोच्या हजेरेन जातले, अशी माहिती कबीर पिंटो मखीजान दिल्या.
All Goa major ranking table tennis tournament, which is being conducted from the 16th to the 23rd of September at this premises, Club Vasco da Gama. As you all know, this tournament is being organized by me, Kabir Pinto Makija, his grandson, in association with Club Vasco da Gama. Last year we had a very good response, being the first edition. We had more than 200 entries. And considering the good and positive feedback that we got from the players and the association and the parents of the participants, we are expecting a much larger number. This tournament will be inaugurated on 17th at 6 p.m. in the club premises by the Honorable Deputy Speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly, Mr. Michael Lobo. And on a request of the Veterans Association, we have decided to introduce veterans category as well this year, along with the cadets, sub-juniors, juniors, which we're having in men's and women's, as well as men's women's categories.
दोतोर पिंटो मेमोरियलाच्या पयले सर्तीक खेळगड्यांचो बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो. अंदूय मेळटलो. सप्टेंबराच्या 14 तारीख मेरेन प्रवेश अर्ज घेतले आनी 15 तारखेर निकाल उक्तो करतले अशें क्लब वास्को दा गामाचो सचिव विष्णू कोलवाळकारान सांगलें.
Last year we had a very good response. More than 200 participants had played this tournament, and this year we are expecting nearly 300, that is 100 numbers more than last year. At present, we have already received around 200 entries. Now the last date for receiving the entries will be 14th of this month up till 6 p.m. and the draws will be held on 15th. Now veterans events will be conducted on 16th of this month. And the major ranking TT championship will start from 17th onwards, that is 17th to 23rd. The matches will be conducted from 4 p.m. onwards.